We are about to fly over the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. This area of the world is known as Mesopotamia. This means land between the rivers.
It is also called the Fertile Crescent because the land was very good for growing crops, and it was shaped like a half moon. The land was good for farming because of all the water. You're right. It was not always easy to live there, though. The people of Sumer faced many challenges before being successful. The first problem was shortages. I heard they ran out of food because the population got very large. The people used up all of the land and they did not have enough resources for everyone to use.
They had to move to the plains where there was a lot of space.
That solved challenge 1. Challenge 2 was uncontrollable water supply. That area of the world is very dry for nearly the whole year. The soil is too dry for farming.
Yes, but sometimes it floods and ruins the crops and homes. This is why people had to invent irrigation systems. Irrigation is a way of getting water to dry land that is far away.
That solved problem 2, but led to problem 3. Challenge 3 was building and maintaining irrigation systems. It was hard to keep the levees, dams, and canals clean.
I know. It was very far between farms, but this was necessary or the whole system could be destroyed. That would mean no water for anyone, and therefore no crops. What did they do?
They solved this problem by moving closer together. This solved problem 3, but led to the last challenge. Sumer was often attacked by neighboring communities. They wanted water.
Well, that is why they built walls around their cities. The most important people lived in the center, so they would be the last to get attacked. Were they a civilization?
Good question. There are 7 characteristics of a civilization. Stable food supply, which they had because of irrigation, is number 1.
Next is government. I know they had a king who the people listened closely because they thought he was chosen by the gods. They had a monarchy and a democracy.
Correct. Number 3 is writing. They invented the first written language.
4. They had a social structure. The king was at the top, next were priests, then upper class, then lower class, then the slaves. This is how the city-state was organized.
Characteristic number 5 was technology. They definitely invented a lot of things like coins, the wheel, irrigation systems, and more.
6. They had a religion. Their religion was the center of their life because they had a different god for everything. They worshipped at temple towers and prayed often.
Finally, they had art. They made musical instruments, pottery, sculptures, paintings, and jewelry.
We are Sumerian experts.
So are Pride Academy 6th graders.